Hey, what's going on? It's Scott. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make this video for you to consider something. Now, all throughout my police career, I was trained pretty well overall through training I sought on my own and then training that the department provided when it came to being aware of threats and awareness of risks and being able to identify risks and threats and be able to act accordingly if a threat is presented, and then having the mindset to survive a shift and make it home alive. Now, I'm not knocking that. Don't get the wrong impression here. Not knocking that at all. It has its place. However, what I generated over time, shift after shift, week after week, month after month, year after year, was a survival mindset. And in a way, it limited me because I was so analytical that my creative brain, I guess you could say, just wasn't really there. So I stopped dreaming about how I want my life to look like. I stopped making big goals for life. I just started surviving. And it really limited my thinking. And it led to me having reactions based on external factors. And I also found myself saying statements like, I'll be happy when such and such happens, rather than really having a growth mindset on understanding that challenges come, which are inevitable, but that's when it's time to grow. It's also time to make goals that challenge you, because that's how when you become better in life, because we're never going to be perfect. It's up to us to work as much as we can to be better than what we were the day before. So I challenge you, are you taking on this limited survival mindset, or are you working on a growth mindset? If you're not working on a growth mindset, I'm not saying you're a total loser or anything like that. Absolutely not. Everybody can change. And in my course, the 10 code mindset, I explain how you have the ability to change. We always have to change. Like I said, we're never perfect. It's just something for you to consider. Okay. Have a growth mindset. It's worth it. Every bit of it.